Hey everyone, it's Crazy Steve, back again with another video review. This time I've got a Polybag, LEGO Dreamzzz 30636, Z-Blob and Bunchu Spider Escape. Looking over it, I've gotta say, I'm pretty excited to get right into it. Opening up the bag, you're gonna see that it comes with 44 pieces. And did I mention it's meant for anyone over the ages of 7 years old, even you adult fans. So I'm spreading the pieces out now so we can get a better look at what we get. It comes with a half circle plate, some round tiles, medium claws, just a bunch of different pieces you could use in other builds if you wanted to. So opening up the instruction booklet, I wanted to show it to you guys specifically because I think LEGO Dreamzzz has some of the best booklets, pamphlets, whatever, because of the art littered throughout it. We get two little splashes of art here, and it always has some sort of background design that just adds flair. So now getting into the build, I'm putting together the minifigure of Z-Blob. He has that cool little oozy slime piece. Now I'm building a caged mechanism that is going to hold Bunchu there. These little white claw things, they go on there and they move in and out, and whenever you get Bunchu actually in the middle, you can move them in and it looks more like she's restricted or constricted to that area. And then the second part of your build is actually the nightmare spider. And I think the nightmare creatures are really well done in LEGO Dreamzzz. They're exactly what I think a kid would dream up as nightmares. Not something like over the top, bloody, gory, or anything like that. I mean, they're just fun, you know, black, purple. It just works and it makes them look scary without being like actually terrifying, if you know what I mean. So I really enjoyed the build overall. And I'm gonna get into showing you the spider here. I have to say again, really well done. You know, it got kind of repetitive on the feet, but in the end I can't complain at all. I'm gonna put this on my shelf, and as small as it is, it's gonna display really nicely. I'm gonna pick it up every once in a while. I'm gonna be like, wow, that's really cool. You know, that's what I do with my Lego. So I'm getting into the second part of the Polybag here, and it's Bunchu in that cage mechanism, whatever you want to call it. So you can see the white things, they did come in closer, and it looks like they're actually like holding her there because they touch her and everything. And again, like I said, they move in, they move out, so you can put them out. You know, if you're playing with it and you want her to break out, you can do that. So then there's Z-Blob. Again, the coolest part of him is that unique slime headpiece cover. And you know, that's it. I enjoyed it.